You're a legal nurse consultant who wants more clients. How can you work with the gatekeeper of a law firm to reach the attorney prospects? I'm Pat Iyer, and I started a successful legal nurse consulting business in 1989. In this video, I share teaching techniques for working with the gatekeeper so that you can get more work. The gatekeeper may be the person who answers the phone, or the attorney's secretary, or paralegal. When you call a law firm, ask the gatekeeper, do you use legal nurse consultants? Use your well-rehearsed script. Some of the people answering the phone will refer your question to a legal secretary or paralegal, and that person may want to be setting up an appointment with you, intrigued by what you have to offer. Spend a good deal of time with the person who answers the phone right from the beginning, so that you can sell that person on your services and the values that you have to offer attorneys. Your goal is to have that person help you set up appointments. The gatekeeper is not a bouncer. The gatekeeper can be very helpful if you think about this person and who that person has access to. This person has access to your prospect's calendar and your prospect. Think about how often your prospect walks past the desk of the gatekeeper all day long. When you have trouble reaching the prospect directly, contact the assistant and open up communication with that person. Say, if I sent you an email with some information, would you mind sending it on to Tom Smith? Remember, the assistant is instruction-oriented and task-oriented. If you give him a task, he will most likely do it. So the assistant will usually say, sure, send me the email and I'll forward it. And then you can say, terrific. What I'll do is give you a call tomorrow and see if Tom Smith says it's okay to put a time on his calendar to come in and meet with him next week. Meanwhile, Tom Smith takes a look at the email, and if he doesn't, the assistant says, have you had a chance to look at that email? Because the nurse said she's going to be calling tomorrow. So the assistant will then remind Tom to do this. And then the next day the assistant may say, is it okay to put the nurse on your calendar because I know she's going to be calling? You'll get a yes or a no that way, and sometimes an appointment without ever having spoken to the prospect. The gatekeeper may be incredibly helpful to you. Building Blocks for a Successful Legal Nurse Consulting Practice provides detailed information on marketing your LNC practice. Get ordering information at the link below.